Want to prevent future roof damage and keep your home protected? Here are some key tips to help you maintain your roof and avoid costly repairs down the road. First, schedule regular roof inspections. Ideally, you should have your roof inspected twice a year in the spring and fall. A professional inspection can catch small issues before they turn into big problems. Next, keep your gutters clean. Clogged gutters can lead to water damage, so make sure to clear them of leaves and debris, especially in the fall. Don't forget to trim overhanging trees. Branches can scrape against your roof or fall during storms, causing serious damage. Keeping trees well maintained can prevent this. If you notice any damage, such as missing shingles or leaks, address it right away. Delaying repairs can lead to bigger, more expensive issues. Proper attic ventilation is also crucial. It prevents moisture buildup and helps maintain a balanced temperature, protecting your roof from mold, rot, and ice dams. In colder climates, remove snow and ice buildup from your roof to prevent ice dams and water infiltration. Use a roof rake or hire a professional to do it safely. Finally, consider installing roof flashing to seal vulnerable areas like chimneys and vents, and choose durable roofing materials if you're replacing your roof. By following these tips, you can extend the life of your roof and keep your home safe. For professional roof maintenance and repairs, contact RoofWorks. Schedule a free inspection today to ensure your roof is in top condition. Visit our website or give us a call to book your inspection now.